Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Jael. Today we're going to be making buffalo chicken dip. Our ingredients today are shredded chicken, cheese, ranch seasoning, cream cheese, and buffalo sauce. Don't forget to spray your crock pot dish. Now we're going to put our shredded chicken in our crock pot dish. Next, we are going to put a little bit of our cheese in the crock pot dish. Now I'm going to put our ranch seasoning in our crock pot dish. Then our cream cheese. Next, our buffalo sauce. Now we are going to stir all of our ingredients together. We're just going to stir it until everything's mixed. Now I'm going to put the crock pot dish into the crock pot. After letting the dip cook in the crock pot for 2 hours, now we're going to plate our dish. Looks delicious. Hey guys, who's hungry? Let's try our buffalo chicken dip. Really good. Thanks for watching Cooking with Jael, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell the rest of the way, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Bye, see you next time.